Kajing po seniu jong kejela ban pen keladur ya ke Barik point da ki jingtai ki bethamai ha ke jaka ke bayang ke office trikam jong ketnat PWD kalai tengku menta ya ki ding pengkyang ki bala ban nang penjelan ban yoi ba ke projek kayeng namar ke jingmi jong ke jingi pher jingmut ha pedeng ki board trikam ki badan ha ke Sorkar jela ki baye keni ban Wanrah dala ki jong ki projek lakum badai ke mati ke jong ki.
Kani kini banwara projek akan kejaka kalapau syai bakalong hapdeng UMLA kanong krem ubreu chairman ke Meghalaya State Planning Board uba lambor malngyang bad umentri kampen Roy Sor kejela uba Hamlet Sondoling. Ki belapen kesane lagi jong kinia bagi projek bagi terwa kini babiang ban peniang akan kejaka ban la ban penitenat ke Sor Shillong. Kadkum kejingong jong chairman ke State Planning Board kani kejaka kadai ke babiang bantai ke multi parking facility. Badru ikamadan ban penlong kum kejaka ya ki patba jong ki kenhon baper. Henry nakaliang umentri kampen Roy Sor kejela ba Hamlet Sondoling. Ulong ba ke projek iconic structure kadai ke babiang akan kejaka. Bat pentip ba ketenat pen Roy Sor keladap ru ban penlut digilak tengka ban penlong ya kejing koop droy kijing tray ke bayahap dur bat kene kejaka. Ka ban long ru lengba ka Smart City Project.
Hadian berada banyak jurip ngi ba kathi kejaka hante kalong ke bala biang baha nak banta ban Wanrah biang itu kejing long jarangam jong ka Sor Shillong berkawai. Nama kombolong mentang inadu ikan ika jing itnat na layang tang di building. Ti ngidan ar benta kawai kalong ban penitnat ban penjarangam ya ketika jaka. Kabar kalong ban bu ya ka penlong ya ka multi parking facilities hangte. Ti bat teng gidan kini kijing khi pajba kamang lakran menchua. Kiwan banyak syong hani hapo additional secretariat hang to po parking ti hang to ruk lati koi ka problem ka ba shakhai ba ti ngakan mau ya ka ba chief minister barim bom kwai dor blai lead ba ikimolong ila kren ya kani ru ga jo subject ha po bibat kamu chief minister ba yong ba laknom nong idon kamban penkalna penitnat no iktika office nga piluldi namar ba ka condition yung ka kamlong syu bat ka baar kalong ba ngiting hangte adang imla ban dei ementa na ka jiya buhai sinong ka jiya shongyeng yung kibre hangte kabla shakai kalong kum ka we ni ki slum kum syong no te dei halo gani ka ba yung gadi ka te ka ka ba biang tam ban panlong ya parking ya gi ba ki school gi ban ki kme ki pa gi ban bo i khon kum ha po kibenta ki bang akado bensuaru ka pain maun ken pak no hang tu mo kala lat ke jing khamia step by step 7 set kini ki bejan ki nong trai kam Sorkar khanang ban plat luot ya kani ka sorok ban kham ka luot tegmot kani ka parking menta ko mangi pet ru ngi ba kalong double triple parking te ka suggestion jong kalong ban Wanrah no ya ka jaga parking ba biang kamot ngi em bagalong hang te hepo Barik te kadi kita stand ban ngi adap submit ya ka report siya chief minister halo jong ka finding ke jongi ba kumnongin penitnat kumnongin beautify ka but kay ka ban mentoy te de kita hi ka bang aso ba kate kade hi ka jaka ka ban biang bahan ng mentaban le ya ka parking ban penitnat itu jaka inong kami kenja mini park ngilaban extend ya kata te kita digi benta ki bangila ya kren sani ba nadu basdang
Kani kejing ya pengkesan jogini ki arngut kala sya tablub ha kejingmi madan sau sembut menteri rang ba kejela ubelaong ba kanu ke projek ban Wanrah akan kejaka kan David nak benta kejing mentoy jong ki patba Om Satya nak benta kejing mentoy ki menteri Sorkar kiseng balang ni ki Roshimet. Kadkum kejing ong jong kejing terwa ban bo ya kejing tei ha kene kejaka kandai ka kam ka bansa Shimrai daka kenhun menteri.
Namar pi ha kajela jongi bun than kejabing. Te kejabing jong ar ka badai ngamong ka balai kejabing jong phir ka badai ngamong ka balai tang ba ha ka bakhadu ngong pi ngin sim ya karai ya ka ka babahatam ya ka tanin le. Na thrai de kata ka bedun kam ini. Bangin ron sikmat bangin ya sikmat nakaliang ka Sorkar ngin pet kumong pi ka banungkong na kamta kejing mentoy jong upai ba jong gejala Meghalaya berkawai rengkat ru bat ya kanam ke burom jong gejala Meghalaya bat kanong ba jong ke Assam mensua ke Shillong ke Palapau nam ba hapo ka India pada ke pertai berkawai
Kumjuru na kalyang jo menteri rang ba kejela ulong ba ke projek ke bansa Wanrah ke jaka kandai ke bala ban penmi pisah kejela bat kandai ke projek ke ban peni tenat ya kenong ba Shillong.
The entire idea has been something that may have been, I think, people have used their own imaginations, I guess, and gone into this. The whole point being that the government has got assets, and we feel that the assets need to be used in the best possible manner, where we balance out between what is aesthetically correct, what looks good, and at the same time getting out the commercial value out of this so that revenue can be generated from this. So we have strongly felt that these kind of assets, which has been done throughout the country, it's not, we're not the first state government that is doing that. So the idea is to how to maximize and improve the overall look of the town also, in the city also, by seeing the value of different commercial properties that are there, land properties that are there, and how we could improve that. So that is what really the purpose of this is, and we will work towards ensuring that the balance is always maintained. There has to be balance between the aesthetics and the looks and the development project, but at the same time balancing out into a commercially viable project. So both have to be taken into consideration, and as a government, that is what we will look into it and ensure that there's a balance, so that overall we are using the maximum utility of locations like these to bring overall benefit to the state.